There's a super easy Excel data entry form that you can use where VBA is not required. All you need is a hotkey. First, hold down alternate and then toggle D and keep holding down alternate and press O. What this does is it opens up the data entry form here. If you want to create a new record, click on the new here and enter your data. And once that's done, if you hit close, you can see that the new record is being entered in here. Again, let's open up the data entry form. Alternate D, keep holding on alternate O. And then let's say if you want to delete a record, let's say if we go next, you want to delete, say this Puma here. If you hit delete and acknowledge, say OK, you can see that the record is gone. Likewise, you can also do edits. Let's say, for example, you don't want this $88 on Puma. You say you want to increase the price to $100.99. And if you close, you can see that that particular record, the pricing has changed.